Hey bro chicas, coming at you with another informal video and a fugly face. Was good. I want to just show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. I just went, and sorry if you can hear the TV, but of course my son is watching TV. And my shirt is Def Leppard, if you're wondering what it is. So sorry about the bad lighting. I just want to show you some things I got, and then also how I'm going to use this. I'll put little clips in on what it looks like afterwards. But I've really just been wanting to decorate my house really nice and give it a nice spring fresh feel, even though it's not spring yet. It's the end of January. It's gonna creep back on. It's gonna creep up on us pretty quickly. And regardless, I feel like you could have these decorations in your house at all times. And I've just been really wanting plant type stuff in my house. Not exactly real ones though, because then I would actually have to take care of them, and I already have plenty of people to take care of. So what I found was some fake flowers. Obviously, if you shop at Dollar Tree, you know they have fake flowers. So these I loved. Now these are not flowers. This is called onion grass. And I had never seen this there before, but I'm just inspired by fresh spring grass for some reason. And what I want to do is cut this down, and oh, I have to show you the whole process. But first, I'm going to show you guys what I do with this, but I just feel like this just gives the house a fresh feel. Something about grass. I just like it. It's modern. And then I got a little bundle of lavender, because I think the lavender is also very spring and it's very beautiful. I got a little bouquet of blue hydrangeas. I wanted to get a bunch of different colors for the flower scheme. So I also got daffodils to bring some yellow in the house. And of course we had to have some pink, so I went with tulips, because to me tulips look very spring. So when you see all of these together, I feel like it looks very spring, very cute. Then I also got these leaves, which it just says greenery bouquet, so I don't know what they are, but you can bend them down, and they look just those big plant tree type thingies that look like it would go with this. So these are going to go together in a little DIY, which I'll show little clips of. And then these are going to go in my little vase that I keep. This vase on my dining room table all year round, and I just change out the flowers. I've never had a spring flower arrangement, so now I have a spring one. I have a Christmas one I've had for a few years, and then I have a Halloween one. So yeah, and I think I have a fall one too. So that's the flowers and greenery I got. And for the DIY, for the little grassy areas, I got this. And they had a few different types, but I just went along with this one. It says wet floral foam. It's not wet, but it's very, as soon as you push into it, it's gonna stay that way. But I also got 2 of these really beautiful containers. And these are new to the Dollar Tree. I haven't seen these. I saw it on somebody's Dollar Tree haul, but I hadn't seen it in person yet, and I found them today. They have all white ones. They have white and silver, which is what I got, and they also have white and gold. So I really like the white and silver ones. I think they look so good. So they're just, whatever on the inside. And I'm going to have to just cut these a little bit. I'm going to put them in here, and this is what's going to go in these. And I have this little, I don't even know what you call it, half wall up by my stairs, at the top of my stairs. And I'm thinking I want to put one of them there and one of these, the other one somewhere else. But if I don't put it somewhere else, then I might just put them both on the wall. Or I might put this on my hutch. I literally just cleaned my hutch. It took me all morning. But anyways, I got 2 of them because I felt like I would need 2. And luckily for $1, you get 2 of these. And this is just the one I chose. But they have a bunch of different fake flower foam. I don't even know what you call it. I'm not a professional when it comes to plants and fake flowers and gardening and all this stuff. This is very new to me. But I'm just inspired and I want to do it. I also found these little faux moss stones, and I felt like these were super cute for spring. they just look like little fake rocks covered in moss. And I have an idea for this up on my windowsill, which I will show you guys a clip so that you can see how I'm personally using them. And I just felt like they would definitely, just bringing green inside of the house makes me feel like, spring is coming and summer, and it feels good. I'm definitely ready for spring. A really, really exciting find, because I've seen like Bargain Bethany, she finds these all the times. I see other people find these for really pretty DIYs, and I never ever see them. The one time I found them, they were in royal blue, and that's just not my color. But today I found these beautiful acrylic gems, and I actually found these in the Valentine's section. It was by the Valentine's, like flowers, the roses, and the little balloons, the little like stick balloons. So definitely check out, if you can't find it in the other section where they have the gems, look by the Valentine's Day for the clear ones, because I think personally the clear ones are the prettiest. They just look more, I like neutral stuff. So picked up one of those. I don't know what I need them for, but I never see them, so I was like, I might as well get it now, because I'll be wishing that I got it if I didn't. I'll be wishing I got it if I figure out something I want to do with them and I can't find it later. So.
DIY filmer, but I'm just gonna essentially show you what I did. I cut one of those circle, one of these, I cut it in half, and then I cut a little, like, so I cut each side of it like off, so it made like a little square type thing, and then I stuck these in it. I was gonna cut that and put half and half on each, but these ones are really hard to cut, so I couldn't do it. I ended up just putting this one on one, and then I had a little piece of lavender left for my other DIY, and then this one in the other. So I hot glued, it was kind of like falling over, so I hot glued this to the bottom, so now it's nice and firm, as you can see. Now I'm going to hot glue 2 of these little moss stones on each side of this. Okay, so here are the plants done. I cannot believe how good they came out. I feel like they look really, really nice, especially because I was just at Target and I wanted to buy a fake plant very similar to this one, except for it didn't have lavender. And it was $7.99, and to think that this only cost...
So I'm recording over this because after I did the math, I realized that for my 5 projects DIY, it only took me $10 to make.
Like, is awesome. Like, that's a really, really good deal. I love the way they look. These little jars are so cute. And then this is my spring flower arrangement. I think the colors I chose are beautiful. And then I just put some of those acrylic gemstones down there just to give it a little glam. But this really brightens up the house, you guys. It looks so great. And here are the lavenders. I have some champagne in the middle. This is where we keep our liquor, is on the windowsill, but I always have to clean it off because we always end up putting something up there that doesn't belong. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to really see, but the lavender and then the little moss stones. So I have 3 moss stones each of them, and I just stuck it into the moss stone. Okay, it's a little bit easier to see over here. And these mason jar wine glasses we actually got as a wedding gift. And sometimes we use them, but lately we haven't been, so I've just been using them as like decoration pieces up on the windowsill, and I'll just like change out what I put in them. But I love this because it just helps it look a little more country, because we do like to keep it a little country downstairs. These are our light switches. As you can see, they're cowboy boots, and we bought those. The rest of my kitchen is a mess, so... Oh yeah, and we got the cactus in the back. We like the southern feel.
But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed some of the little decor DIY ideas that I showed you guys. And click the thumbs up button if you did like it. And subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.